Wow, very cute. Alay mo, sa Joshua. Wow, very cute bird. Tokmo, sa may English ng Tokmo, eh? Hala, di ang lupad. Very cute.
Kaurang itinong.
Dali lang. Pagkuhan sa mga kamot sa dong. Dong butang sa mga kamot. Wow. Nice bird. So sweet.
Kuan ba na? Alang wapay balik ko kayo.
Siya? Naka-sweet. Wow. More siya ka ng kuano, dab. Asa kay ba?
Like a morning dove?
It's like a morning dab. Wow, nice bird.
Yeah.
They catch this one when they're still a baby, no feather yet. Hala, darling. The water. Okay. So we're leaving now. Let's palm all them.
Oh yeah, big.
According to them, this is 12 hectares.
Yes?
Yeah.
Do they own that?
No. Chinese own it.
Well, that's
Wow, nice scenery.
What?
Nice.
Oh yeah, nice view from up here.
Very nice view. Can you stop for a while? There. Oh wow, I can see the building. Can you stop for a while?
Yeah, very nice.
guys. We just arrived from buying water. Very, very nice. The view really there, guys. The owner is a foreigner from Australia. So, what a fantastic view there. In fact, the water, I asked the lady who managed the place, we can drink that one. So I think we were going to try to drink water, but we were going to do a filter first. I'm going to ask to fill it, so we don't need to buy. Very pricey, the water in town. That's 15 pesos per gallon. Them is only 4 pesos. So bye guys. Thank you for watching my video, and please share, like, comments. Have a nice day.